Hi, Sharon. I'm looking at your writing here, and so just a few um, comments or some feedback. So first of all, insulin is a generic noun. It's a drug, and with drugs, we don't use an article. So for example, aspirin or I don't know, any types of drugs, we would just say if we didn't have insulin, our longevity would be short, and people who suffer, so no ED there, diabetes, could not have a quality of life. So instead of could not, I would say wouldn't, okay, would not have a quality of life. For example, some people could, instead of be blind, we say go blind. Some people could go blind. Some of them may get amputated, or some others may have severe complications like heart disease and stroke if they don't control their blood sugar very well. So that part is okay, just some problems with the verbs. Insulin is just a small protein in our body, good, but it plays the most important role, no S, in our or in the endocrine system. Actually, yeah, instead of adding that at the end of the sentence, you could say in the human endocrine system, period. People cannot live without insulin. So the invention of insulin, oh, I see, yeah, you probably thought it's the first time you're mentioning it, so use an article, but we actually don't use articles, even if it's the first time with drugs. People cannot live without insulin, so the invention of insulin indeed saves a lot of people who are diagnosed with diabetes. Perfect sentence. They usually pull through the disease by injecting it every day. Therefore, this is a little awkward, therefore, here. Could you choose a different transition? What could it be? The advance of medical technology, definitely. Here is a subject verb problem. So what do I need here on the end? Medical technology definitely brings people with diabetes, but I wouldn't use the verb bring. I would say helps people with diabetes to have a longer lifespan because it's a comparison and to live a meaningful life. Okay, thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.